Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Golden1 Credit Union bank account. So in this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the step correctly. So before we get started, just a quick reminder, in order to sign up into your online banking account, you must have an account. Only then you'll be able to sign up into your online banking account of Golden1 Credit Union Bank. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice, and as you open up your web browser, on the search box you'll have to type in the link, that is www.golden1.com. You can also find the link on the description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site. On this following page, right on top, there is a login interface. So in order to sign up into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on sign up in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on sign up, on the other page you will be directed into enrollment page. So first of all, you can see right on top there is a statement, so make sure to go through it. Only then proceed with your enrollment. So you can see that you'll have to provide your account information in order to set up your online access. First of all, you'll have to enter your account number, and after that you'll have to enter your social security number. And once you're done entering your social security number, next you'll have to enter your first name and your last name. So once you're done, next you'll have to enter your date of birth, and after that you'll have to enter your zip code and then your address. And once you're done entering all your information, don't forget to tap on I'm not a robot, which is right at the bottom, and the information that you have provided must be linked with your bank account. Only then you'll be able to successfully sign up into your online banking account. So once you're done entering all your information, tap on enroll in the bottom left corner, and as soon as you tap on enroll and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to create login information, that is your user ID and your password. So once you're done creating your user ID and your password, on the other page you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of Golden1 Credit Union. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.